At the intersection of heritage and innovation, India is not just adapting to the future, it is creating it. Welcome to a reality where technology redefines our societal fabric, making today's aspirations tomorrow's achievements.
आज हर दिन टेक्नोलॉजी में तेजी से होते परिवर्तन के कारण हम कहते हैं The future is here and now.
The future is now. This forward-thinking mantra encapsulates our vision of a world where advanced technologies are not just on the horizon, but actively integrated into our daily lives. This is where dreams merge with reality. IMC 2024 will highlight India's journey from potential to actualization, demonstrating that the future we have long anticipated is already unfolding. IMC is more than just an expo. It stands as a testament to India's crucial role in shaping the global digital narrative, as it will run concurrently with ITU WTSA 24. This year, IMC strives to scale new heights with more than 1.5 lakh attendees from around 120 countries and 400 plus exhibitors, showcasing over 900 unique use cases, making it the epicenter of innovation and collaboration. Here, we celebrate breakthroughs from AI innovations in semiconductors to electronics manufacturing, clean tech, satellite communication, and other.
Welcome to New Delhi, where tech decision makers from around the world will meet this October at the Governing Conference for ITU Standardization work. WTSA is coming to Asia for the first time, and it promises to be a WTSA like no other. Get ready for a digital innovation festival where innovation, inclusivity and sustainability take center stage. Explore our dynamic expo area, where tech giants and startups will demo how ITU standards provide building blocks for universal connectivity and sustainable digital transformation. A rich program featuring the Global Standards Symposium, AI for Good Impact India, the International AI Standards Summit, and a wide range of parallel events will showcase the latest tech developments in India and around the world. This isn't just a conference. It's a celebration. It's where the world's brightest minds and biggest hearts come together to shape our digital future. Join us in New Delhi, October 14th to 24th, 2024. Let's create the digital future we want. Register now.